We're going to talk about Dalton's law of partial pressure. And Dalton's law of partial pressure is important if you do things like dive or work in hyperbaric chambers for that matter. Dalton's law of partial pressure is actually really simple. So let's say we have a big balloon. It's 100 liters of air. It's a little bit more than 4 moles of air at standard temperature and pressure. And for the sake of argument, we have 100 kilopascals of pressure. Now, standard air is about 78% nitrogen and 20% oxygen and 2% other. Dalton's law of partial pressure just basically divides up the quantity of air into the relative pressure of each gas. And so, if it's 78% nitrogen, how much of this pressure do you think is due to nitrogen? Pause, stop, and think. Oh, good for you. You paused the video, and if you said that this nitrogen contributed 78 kilopascals, you were right. If you said that 20% oxygen gave a partial pressure of 20 kilopascals, you were also right. And if you said 2% of the other gases contributed 2 kilopascals of partial pressure, you're right. And so that's Dalton's law of partial pressures. The total pressure is equal to the partial pressures of each of those gases that comprise the mixture, and the partial pressures is proportional to the proportion of gas in that mixture.